Hi, friends. It's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new stamp set to share with you today with Gina K Designs called Life with Zest. And I'm super excited to share this one. This is a really fun one, fresh, and tons of things that we can do with this. And you can see that my stamp set is already well loved. And there's also a coordinating die set that's available with this stamp set. So let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at the stamp set. I've stamped out all of the images in the set so I can talk you through the look and feel and the inspiration behind all of the images that make up the set. This is just a super fun set. It coordinates with all of the other sets in my collection. The largest image in the set is this water pitcher. It is a big one and it will cover a good portion of your card projects. So it is about 3 inches in depth. So it is a really nice piece to coordinate with other florals in my sets as well. I've got these 2 super fun lemon illustrations that are open line, and I also have the solid version of the lemon shape so that you can create some kind of wonky 2-step look and feel that's just kind of fun, really super fun for creating patterns, and I'll get into that a little bit more. I've got some beautiful, fun, universal like floral blooms and some 2-step stamping options with the blooms as well. And that solid stamp does work with the larger bloom in the set as well for 2-step stamping. I got some leaves and greenery and some bits and pieces that coordinate and work well with the florals. And the large sentiment is called Live Your Life with Zest, which is super fun, positive, and I just love it. And it also fits perfectly inside the picture. So those 2 pieces coordinate very well with each other. So let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at some inspiration that I've created. Got several card projects to share with you today, just super fun to inspire you to live with zest. So let's just go ahead and dive in and take a look at the first one here. You all know I love to create patterns with the stamps. So this one is a super fun one using the florals, the open line and the solid, and just having a little bit of fun with the blooms around that sentiment. Just super fun. I really love this set for creating some holiday look and feel here. It's just super fun. I've paired this up with a really nice sentiment from Beth. And I've got the leafery, which kind of looks a little bit like mistletoe. You use that larger bloom and you add that element in the center and you can kind of have a little bit of a poinsettia look and feel. It's fun, it's fresh, and it's just super fun to do all those layers using the die sets. Now, here is an example of the card with the picture and the sentiment. You can see how the sentiment fits right inside of that water pitcher, and you can add all of those fun little elements around the edges. You can see that the dippling from the lemon. I've used that stamp right there just to give it a little extra magic, and I'm just loving this card. Now, where would be my inspiration without sharing a wreath-like card? Now, the inspiration for this entire set is based on a wreath that's on my front door, which is super fun. So I've shared a little picture of that right here for you. And you can see that I just love creating wreaths. You can use all the elements in this stamp set to create some really fun, modern, whimsical looking wreaths. Now, you all know that I like it when the stamp set is the star of the show. So I've used the solid lemon 2-step part of the stamp set and created a patterned background here, and then built a lemon shape using the die, the coordinating die, and some wild dandelion cardstock. Super fun card, super fresh, and using all the different stamp elements maybe in a little bit of a different way to create this fun, fresh card. I'm just loving, look at that little stippling there. That's part of the stamp set to create that little dimpling in the lemon. Love it. Okay, I told you you could convert this stamp set over and make it look very holiday-like. That large bloom this bloom is so universal that you can really make it look like any kind of flower you want. And that's what I really, really enjoy about drawing flowers. You change up the color and shampoo, you've got something different. I just love it. Okay, this is just, I think this might be my favorite card in the whole stash. I'm not sure. I was having some fun with layers, but you can see that two-step stamping there for the lemon, and it's got this really fun, whimsical background that's a little bit off, which is kind of super, super fun. Okay, I've paired this stamp set up with another one in my collection. Show Up and Shine is the sentiment, and it's just super fun. I paired up quite a few of the elements to just create this really fun, inspirational card. I'm just loving it. Okay, as always, I have a card idea sheet for Life with Zest, and there are 8 different card combinations on here. Many of these I didn't even create in the inspiration set that I just shared with you. So there's lots of fun and fresh ideas for this new stamp set, and the link is down below in the description for you to grab this for free. I really, really hope you enjoyed all of the fun inspiration that I've shared with you for this new set with Gina K Designs called Life with Zest. Just a ton of fun, and I'm just super excited to share it with you, and I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And I'm sharing more card and watercolor tutorial videos for your inspiration right here. So come on in and take a peek at my tutorials. I have a lot to share, and I'll see you next time.